Question. A can do a piece of work in 9 days. B can do the same work in 12 days. C can do the same work in 15 days. If they are working together, get a total wage of 4,700 rupees. Find the individual share of A, B and C respectively. Options are: Option A, 2,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees, 1,200 rupees. Option B, 2,000 rupees, 1,200 rupees, 1,500 rupees. Option C, 1,200 rupees, 1,500 rupees, 2,000 rupees. Option D, 1,500 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 1,200 rupees. And option E, 2,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 1,700 rupees. Let's see the solution. In the statement they given that A can do a piece of work in 9 days. So here this is A and A can do the piece of work in 9 days. It means A can do the piece of work in 1 day is 1 by 9. And in the next statement they given that B can do the same work in 12 days. So here this is B and B can do the same work in 12 days. It means B can do the same work in 1 day is 1 by 12. And in the next statement they given that C can do the same work in 15 days. So here this is C and C can do the same work in 15 days. It means C can do the same work in 1 day is 1 by 15. And in the next statement they given that if they are working together, get a total wage of 4,700 rupees. So here they are working together and they get a total wage of 4,700 rupees. Now in the question they are asking the individual share of A, B and C respectively. So here the ratio of A, B and C's output per day is A's output per day is to B's output per day is to C's output per day. That is 1 by 9 is to 1 by 12 is to 1 by 15. That equals to 20 is to 15 is to 12. Now the required share of A is ratio of A's output per day by total ratio into total wage. That is 20 by 47 into 4,700. That equals to 20,000 rupees. And the required share of B is ratio of B's output per day by total ratio into total wage. That is 15 by 47 into 4,700. That equals to 1,500 rupees. And the required share of C is ratio of C's output per day by total ratio into total wage. That is 12 by 47 into 4,700. That equals to 1,200 rupees. So the individual share of A, B and C respectively is 2,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees, 1,200 rupees. So the answer is option A, 2,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees, 1,200 rupees.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn 4 more and check our channel for complete free learning videos.